tutorial on how I edit my videos. I use KineMaster. It looks like it's the second one right here. KineMaster. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do a zoom. I'm gonna show you 3 steps on how to do zoom effect and how to animate a text. You can animate your own text, or you can use a text that and you can use the animation that they already have. So you want to click the plus button. Pick which landscape you want. I use I call it movie view. So video. My phone acting slow. Yeah, I do zoom effect and all that. So if you want to start doing a zoom effect, you have to find a point, like the beginning of a point on where you want to do a zoom, like the zoom part at. So I'm gonna just scroll through here, see which part. I think I'm just gonna start right here. Like if you do if you have like on my videos, my YouTube video, I have like some funny parts, and that's how I zoomed it in. But my sister don't really have any funny parts. She was just talking. So I'm just gonna pick one. And you want to split it at the beginning of. Go back. So you want to split it at the beginning of when you want your zoom clip to be. I hope it makes sense. But I'm gonna show you. So you have your so you have your spot right here. So you got it right here, and then you want to click on your scissors that's in the corner, and it's gonna say split at playhead. I don't really know what these 3 are. I usually just do split at playhead. So I'm splitting my playhead, and that so this one is one clip, and then the rest of that is another clip. But if you keep splitting it, then it will become multiple clips, right? So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna keep dragging this over here. Keep dragging it right here. And if she had a funny part right here, I will like split it right here and then start my zoom in effect. But I'm just going to move. Yeah, I'm just gonna split it. I move my split so she won't have a good enough length. You have good length, I don't know, but split it here. So that becomes. So this 1 and this is 2. So I'm working right here in this part right here. So you want to tap it. You want to tap on it, and then you want to hit that 2 TVs right here. It looks like 2 TVs. So you want to click that, and then it has, like I told you before, it has a start position and an end position. The start position, as you press on it, is going to move over here from the start, and then the end position, when you press the end position, is going to go move at the end. So let's begin, and I'll see. So make sure you watching on the right hand to see how the zoom you want to look. I hope that makes sense. I will show you. I'm not really good at explaining, but I will show you. So I click on my start position. As you can see over here in the corner, it's like have this red. It has red layer background, and that indicates that you have selected that at the start position. So you want to. So this is one of my steps one of my start positions. This is step 1. So you have my start position is different. Let me see. its start position is different from the end position. The end position is normal. The start position has zoomed in a little bit, so you can zoom in a little bit more and everything like that. So this is how far I'm gonna go. And then my end position is like that. I mean, it's like regular. So end position, and you see how the clip moved. Hold on. How it moved to the end. So there we go. Moved it back up. So it's normal. So that's one of my steps, and you're gonna click the check mark, and it's just gonna gradually eat on your piece cheese. I kind of messed up right there because I was moving it around like that, but usually that's how you do it. But when I zoomed in, I gotta be steady because if you keep shaking like I just did, it's going to save it, and it's going to shake when the video. So you don't want to just keep moving around. You want to keep it steady as possible. So let's see. We gonna eat on your piece cheese. So that's kind of like it popped. That's kind of pops up. So so that's that one. So and then another step is at the normal, and then the end position. I'm gonna press that, tap on that, so it goes to the end. So the start position is normal, and then this is step 2, and the end position is normal too. So we're going to click the end position, and then we're going to zoom in like that. Let's go over there, and then so as you can see, this is different. So when the video plays, it's going to start out. I gotta stop. So it's going to start. It's going to start out as normal, and then at the end, when we're close to the end, it's going to zoom in. As I'm going to show you. Hold on a second. Play that. Cheese. We got. What else we got? And then right here and right here, this stays normal. But right here is your animated zoom in effect. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you from the beginning. We're gonna eat it. Take it. Cheese. We got. What else we got? So now the last step that I have is it got confusing for me at first. I was like, what is this equal sign? But then when I pressed it and I kept like practicing on how to use kinemaster, I noticed that like if you pressed it, it will make the video. Oop, I messed up. It will make the video the start position and then the end position clip throughout the whole clip look the same. Over here, if soon as we press the equal sign, both of the clips it moved together. They are the same. We're gonna eat on your piece cheese. We got. What else are we gonna put on? And then it just stopped because of the next clip is the normal clip. It has an end position. It has an end position right here. So if you do zoom in effect, make sure you split it, or all your clip is going to just be like this, like have a zoom in effect, and then the end position is going to be like that. And make sure you have a clip that's ready to be zoomed in. If not, then the whole clip is going to just have that zoom effect. So now let's begin our text. Okay, look. I see it. So now you're gonna click that layer, this layer button. My error was bad, I know, but hit this layer, and then it has all of them. It has media effect, overlay, text, handwriting. So I'm gonna show you what media mean, and I'm gonna do text. But right now I'm gonna do text right now. So I'm just gonna type her name in, Lorea, And over here, as it highlights right here, as it's typed, you can change the color, um, change the font. I like using Noto. I don't know how to say it. Noto Sheriff Italic, and it will show at the top, and it will change the font. And then you can animate it, which is the once the text come in. So like you can have it fade. And I like using fade or slide right, slide left. I mostly like using fade. It has a whole bunch of animation, and also down here it also have like time. It all has time. Overall, it's just like of the animation, and then the out animation is at the end. So you click that, and when the text leaves, you don't want to just to pop away. So I like using slide left, slide right. So my out animation, scale down, and also it has time limits, and it got multiple all these different types, but I just like using. You can also place it. Hold on. You can hold it and then move it where you want to come in at. You can also have a duration, how long it's supposed to be up there. And now for the let me show you. And now for your own, how to make your own animation is by clicking that key over there. After you click your text, click your text, and then this pop up, and all that other stuff will pop up over there too. But you're gonna click that and go click it, and so your first animation will be right here. So it'll be right there. But I like to drop it down. So I usually start like up here, and then I go throughout the whole text, like most of the text, and then I drop down. And make sure make sure you have it steady. If not, it's just gonna be like this, and it's gonna save it to the text. And once you play it, it's going to look jumpy. So you don't want to have it like that. You want to bring it down. Well, I like to bring it down. And yeah. But if you want to have it go like this, you can, or everything like that. But yeah, it's just all about time and timing it right and moving it over when you say from when I say crafting with K. I time it, I time it, then I drag it down. I hope that makes sense. But she didn't say her name. But if Lorraine would have said her name, then I would have paused it and then drag it down and add the time and everything to it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go a little bit right here, bring it down slowly. And then if you didn't want that animation right there, to delete it, instead of deleting the whole clip thing, you just want to delete the animated part, you're going to click here, the minus sign. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear, but you're gonna click the minus sign, and there it goes. Let's see. What are you gonna eat on your pizza? Cheese. What else are you gonna? So it didn't really come straight down. It came from the corner over here. And yeah, so that's basically it. Hope it makes sense. But now you want to go to layer, and you want to go to the first thing. Let's see something. You're gonna go to this first thing right here, and that's called. I don't know if you see, but it says media, and it says media right here too. I will show you why. Because that media right there, that's on the big round circle, it's just to add on your clips. Add on the clips from the end, and then you click media. That means, hold on, y'all. But yeah, if you click the media layer and then media, that means it will overlay on your other video. So like this is just a random video I did yesterday. So you can make it small and put it in a corner, and you can drag it to see how long you want it to come in. You can drag whatever, and then you can drag it. And also when you click on it, you can do in animation, overall animation, out animation when it comes in, and when the video go out. So we're gonna do that instead of having the video pop up out of nowhere. You can have it fade in. Fade in, and then the out animation. Let me click that again. Out animation is at the end when it leaves. So that's going. And then also, if you don't want it to have it like overlaying the video like that, you can. I don't know if I'm explaining it right. You can like blend it into the picture or the video that you already have. So as you press the video, the clip, you can scroll down. You can scroll down and then go to blending, and then blend it into the other video. So what are you gonna eat on your pizza? Cheese. Cheese. What else are you gonna put on it? So that's how it's looking. I'm gonna delete it because I don't really need that. I'm just showing y'all how to add our video with that media mint on the overlays. And yeah, handwriting, you can just like draw over it. Yeah, so that's basically it. Basically, I don't know how to say it right. Basically it. If you